This video is sponsored by Mitchell 1.
In commercial truck repair, every diagnosis has a story. It begins with a symptom. Maybe it's black smoke, a failed inspection, poor performance. The challenge is finding the root cause fast, because every minute spent searching means lost time and lost revenue. That's where TruckSeries helps write the next chapter. Built for Class 4 through Class 8 trucks,
TruckSeries combines diagnostics, repair information, labor estimating, and shop management tools, all in one software suite.
let's see how TruckSeries helps connect the dots
Using the trouble code procedures,
and interactive wiring diagrams. A 2020 Mack Pinnacle arrives after failing an emissions test. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, heavy black smoke pours from the exhaust under acceleration. There's clearly a problem, but where do you begin? A scan tool reveals multiple codes, including P0095 and P0098. Now it's time to dig in. After selecting the vehicle type in TruckSeries, let's navigate to the trouble code repair module and investigate further.
here you can perform multi-code diagnostics, researching, testing, and resolving related faults in a single workflow.
In this case, both P codes show a temperature failure and point to the same area, the intake manifold temperature circuit. Now the investigation shifts from the symptoms to the source. Using the interactive wiring diagrams, we can isolate the active circuit and trace the signal from the engine control module to the intake manifold temperature sensor. Click on the hyperlink to dig even deeper. The connector views and pinouts identify the correct terminals.
The component locators show exactly where the sensor is mounted on the engine. With the circuit mapped, guided testing walks you through voltage, continuity, and sensor operation step by step.
Each test eliminates another possibility until the answer becomes clear.
The culprit is a failed intake manifold temperature sensor.
TruckSeries then guides you through the OEM remove and install procedures, while factory specifications verify that the replacement sensor is operating exactly as designed. The engine starts, the black smoke is gone, no trouble codes return. Another problem solved. Another truck back in business, because every diagnosis has a story. And with TruckSeries, every story has the same ending, with trucks back on the road faster, making money.